Yes, we have gone through the queue
Yeah,
determinant.
let us wait. Let us wait. I will couple of minutes. I think.
Yeah. Okay, okay. Let me know any doubts. Yeah, we will discuss that any business process and how we map for some time. Okay. Why? Because this is the RF devices. This is very important class. Okay. Mm. Any general, as of now, we discussed a lot of things. Okay. Any new business requirement and how we map within the EWM, like these things, we can discuss. Yeah, general discussion.
Sir, sir, in a warehouse, we will be creating under one warehouse now, sir. If we have multiple warehouses, then how to deal with this situation, sir?
One thing.
Means client copying or like that we can do
Pardon.
like
Yeah,
warehouse copy.
three options we have.
Okay, sir. Tell me.
Easiest way is the copy from the 0001 and clean the data. Okay, that is
Okay.
unnecessary data. And
No, sir. No, no,
uh,
no. What I am asking is, we have defined VIPL is the AIPL is the warehouse number, but I
okay,
have another two three warehouses. I want to implement. In that situation, can I copy the same warehouse copy to another basis can do, or we can do all the configuration manually?
one thing. One thing, sir. Here, say right now we are dealing with AIPL. Okay, that is in
Yes.
Hyderabad. Assume that we have
Yes.
some kind of space there. Means here some 3 acres or 2 acres warehouse is there. Assume that. And I
Okay.
want to
Okay.
start my new warehouse at Jaipur. That is 10 acre.
Okay.
And several
Okay.
physical RG elements. I want to utilize more and more bins. I want to utilize more storage types and etc. Okay, here I deal with a
Okay.
limited products at Hyderabad, but coming to the Jaipur, that is a central warehouse. Okay, we cannot compare or we cannot copy from the existing this to new one. Okay, that is a new rollout, new functionalities. She
Okay.
assume that in Europe countries, Belgium is the middle one. Belgium country, that is European Union head office or whatever it may be. That is nearby to all other countries. Okay, I observed that
Okay.
every big company is having its own warehouse in Belgium, and other countries also they have warehouses. Okay, and the Belgium warehouse is a distributing warehouse. Okay, distribution center, they are sending goods to other countries like France or Germany or some other countries, Sweden, nearby countries, these things. We cannot compare our big warehouse to a small warehouse, or else we cannot compare our small warehouse to big warehouse. Okay, there I deal with some of limited products, but here coming to the distribution center, I deal with some lakhs of products. Okay, and coming
Okay.
to the resource numbers also vary. In rural
Okay.
in regional warehouse we have some maximum 100 resources, but in a centralized warehouse we can find out thousands of resources also there. Okay, say 300 inbound and 600 outbound, some 300 for internal movements, 200 for physical inventory, or whatever it may be. Okay, in that cases, whatever the rollout, name itself the rollout, but we need to consider it as a new implementation
Okay.
only. Okay, like this thing we cannot compare with
So
where
every configuration we need to do manually.
manually, or else you can copy from the 0001 and clean the unnecessary
Yes.
data from the system. Okay,
Okay.
that thing. Yeah, this thing. Okay,
Sir,
sir.
is there any possible to storage type will always be in under plant only warehouse only, no, sir? Is there any possibility to have common storage type for two warehouses?
No, it's not possible. Why? Because storage type is
Okay.
a physical segment within the warehouse. physical segment.
Because one of my friend asked like
Correct,
in,
correct. In that
yard
case,
in the in the yard
yes,
management, if you have
coming. Yes, it's a physical organization element, but exception is yard management. Say,
okay.
if I were maintained, if I want to maintain a common yard for the multiple EWM warehouses, what we can do is we maintain a storage type in one of the EWM warehouse, and then we share to other EWM warehouses also, but that is only the yard. Exception
Oh,
is
sir,
only yard.
I did not get your point, sir.
Yeah, correct. Coming.
Hello.
Yes, please.
Next year. Actually, I mean, we always be set up on the warehouse level, right? So storage type is something. It's a 4-digit number where we can use in multiple warehouses as well, right? So because we always do the warehouse level.
Yeah, if I understand correctly, you are saying that we can use the same name of the storage type in other warehouse also, but we cannot treat it as a same physical segment within both warehouses until unless it's a yard. Okay, I will show you. Sorry, 1 second. Where? Two, three warehouses we require. Yeah, normally assume that this is a warehouse and this is a yard. Yeah, this is a warehouse and this is a yard. Okay, like right side, one more warehouse is there, but yard is same. How do you utilize this yard in our system? How do you utilize yard in system? Okay, actually, this yard is a storage type in a EWM warehouse. Not yet we have discussed. We are going to discuss that. Yard is a storage type in a EWM warehouse. Okay, coming to our image, right side one warehouse is there, left side one warehouse is there, right side another warehouse is there. This is the yard. Assume that this where the trucks are stored, this is a part of EWM warehouse, this left side warehouse, but I want to use this area by right side also. Here appear, here it is not appearing. Okay, right side also this kind of warehouse is there. I want to use this yard also. Then what we will do? Go to extended warehouse management settings, yard management.
Chip, Shipping and
One sec, sir. Assigning the no, not the settings. Yard is separate. Master data slotting.
yard.
Recently we discussed with this warehouse, right? One sec. One sec. I will show you that setting. Okay. One warehouse here we can find out in one table. With that we can use yard warehouse VIPL checkpoints storage bins. This one it will there. Assign this one, right? Okay. In the settings I think, yeah, we can check in the settings also. Three options are there to go with yard. Okay, one is 1 yard for one EWM warehouse. Okay, 1 yard for more
Yes.
than one warehouses, and the third one is the yard also itself a warehouse. That option also
Okay.
possible. Yeah, three options are there for the yard. Once link between the account material. Somewhere it is there. Yeah, one
Okay.
sec. No, that is not this. Somewhere. One sec, we will come again. Shipping and receiving directly. Go to yard management.
That is moments. That's
Oh,
check in and check out
yeah,
for 5
yeah, correct. This is one. Somewhere it is there. I checked.
more.
Sometime back I have given answer for somebody. Where is this? Only one checkbox is there. There we need
Okay.
to maintain other uh, warehouse number. That is only required for that.
Okay, sir.
Uh,
I will check, sir.
okay. 1 second. So it will come.
As in the details.
No, this is moment. Maintain shipment. This one. Yeah, not reporting that. This is. Some 2 3 years back, I have given this solution for somebody, but
Okay, sir.
where I have forgotten. Okay, one thing, sir. It will come.
Maybe in SPRO, sir. No, it will
No,
be
no, no, not in
easier.
SPRO. Not in SPRO. Not in SPRO. Settings. Okay. Warehouse data. Shipping and receiving. Link between. No, this not. Storage area.
About 2 to 5
Yes, sir. Not a master data. Somewhere we can maintain other warehouse number also. Again, is this
Okay.
yard management. Assign door and supply chain unit. One sec here. This not default. Okay, this is not also. This is owner and default.
Sir, in master data?
Yeah, we are in master data. We are checking. Yeah, sorry. Here only, sir. Sorry, we came here, but we have this one. Okay. Assign warehouse door to yard bin. Okay. Say here in my
Okay.
warehouse VIPL, I have maintained the yard. Okay. Here some
Okay.
doors are there. Okay. Uh, Here yard warehouse number we can use. Say
Okay.
warehouse door some AAPL is there. AABD. Assume that. Yard warehouse number. What is the warehouse number? You can give here. And yard bin you can give here. Like we can maintain, sir. Here this field.
So multiple warehouse numbers we can give here.
Correct,
Okay.
correct, sir.
That's why he mentioned as
Yes, yes,
yard
yes,
warehouse.
yes, yes, exactly.
Not warehouse he has given. Yard man warehouse he has given.
Yes, yes, yard warehouse number. In this
Okay.
case, both are same. If we observe yard warehouse number,
One
okay,
to one relation.
one to one.
If it is one to many, then
Then we can maintain here.
okay.
We can maintain here, sir. Yeah, this is the link between
No,
uh, yard and different warehouses. Yeah.
Then everything will be common, sir.
Everything will be
All
common.
settings.
All settings are
Only this
common.
point will.
yes.
Only this point.
Okay.
Yep. Yes, sir.
And
Here we are maintaining yard as a one warehouse, right?
Yard as a warehouse. No, here yard is not a warehouse. Here, one warehouse. Multiple. Sorry, one yard, multiple warehouses. This setup. If it's a separate yard warehouse number, warehouse to warehouse movements will be happen.
No,
Warehouse
no,
to
no.
warehouse.
Here you see the warehouse number is the top. Okay.
Yeah.
So here, I mean, what is that? I mean, yard warehouse number.
Yes, exactly. This common area sharing by left side warehouse and the right side warehouse. Okay, this
Yes.
yard is part of this warehouse storage type, but I want to share this to my right side also. In that case,
Hmm.
for the setting, assume that this right side warehouse is using to this setup, is using to this setup.
Hmm.
Right side warehouse, left side warehouse. This one. These doors are right side warehouses. Yard bin also right side warehouses, but these only the left side warehouse. Okay, this number only. Same yard we can use. Same yard we can use for multiple EWM warehouses. Okay, just yard is nothing, sir. If we see this, just tracking purpose we can use. Yeah, either the vehicle is check-in. See, first one, check-in. Either the vehicle is check-in or not. I want to track in my warehouse. Move transportation into parking area. If free doors are not available, I will park for some time. Okay, this one is optional. Why? If the door is free, I will move my vehicle directly to the door. Next, schedule TU to door, move TU to door. These two are same step. Yeah, just for the system. Okay, just we assign the door and we do a yard movement against that transportation unit in warehouse. Okay. Next, that transportation unit is having multiple inbound deliveries or multiple outbound deliveries. Like, okay, we start the loading activities, ending the loading activities. Just we will track either load when the load is happened, when the load is ended, and etc. Again, move TU to parking. This is optional. Direct checkout. To do this, we use the yard management. Nothing is there. Okay, this thing, yard management. Check in, check out, and assign the doors. Loading start or unloading start. Loading end or unloading end. Okay, nothing is there. Yeah.
Outside a warehouse warehouse
Correct, correct. Just tracking of the
activities
transportation, tracking of the transportation units, and loading
outside.
start and loading end. We use this. We use this. Yeah. Loading start and loading end. We use this.
Sir, if you are using a warehouse management, then no need of inventory management, sir. Means no goods receipts and goods issue will be done in IM side. All the activities will be carried in.
Yeah. For that also, I will do it. Say EWM is there.
Yes, sir.
GR in EWM. GI
GI, EWM.
in EWM. Apart from
Physical
that,
inventory.
apart from that, I want to do scrapping. I want to do scrapping. Here, two ways. The first one is initiate from EWM. The second one is 551 movement in
In
ECC.
ECC.
This 551 movement is causing a posting change request in EWM. Against that we process. Okay. The next one,
Okay.
just a delivery will flow into this one. Okay. And storage location to storage location movement. These also
411.
cause a 411 or stock transport.
401.
Yeah, stock transport, and then go to EWM, then we process. Okay, like these things we can use. Not only so some activities we can perform from EWM and also. Say assume that this third point, storage location to storage location movement. Third point, storage location to storage location movement. This third point, assume that I have three storage locations. Three storage
Sir, in
locations.
this case, in this case, we are moving from storage location to bin level. Means all the stock from storage location to bin level only in warehouse management side. No storage locations will be done. Goods issue or goods receipt like that.
No, sir. Yeah, just one thing. Let me finish this. Maybe this will clarify
Okay,
your
sure,
doubt.
sure.
Okay. I have three storage locations in a plant. Two SLOCs are for EWM. Okay. One storage location is for production. Assume that. And this storage location production not connected to EWM. Assume that this one. Storage location is for production, not connected. Now, the first part, I want to send raw materials to this PROD's storage location. What I can do? Okay, this production data cannot be available in EWM since this is not connected to EWM. I want to send raw material to production storage location. In ECC, I initiate SL to SL transfer. Then what will happen in EWM? One OBD will generate. Against that, we do the peak plus PGI. Result is stock updates in PROD location, and
Okay.
it will not show in EWM. Got it, sir? That stock cannot show in EWM. Why? Because the PROD location is not connected to EWM. Okay. Now,
Okay.
after production, after production, after production, receiving of the finished goods. Again, SL to SL. That would create a inbound delivery for EWM. Then we receive the goods in EWM warehouse. This will happen. Got it, sir? This is also possible.
Got it.
Okay, these things. If we do the storage location to storage location movement, system will generate outbound delivery against the raw materials. Against the finished goods, system will generate a inbound delivery. We receive those inbound deliveries, like things. Okay, we use this. Got it, sir? Yeah.
Got it, sir. Got it.
Okay, so here, as you said, I mean, storage location to storage location, right?
Yeah.
So, first, I mean, after you do that goods receipt for production order,
Yep.
initially that comes to IM storage location, right?
Yes, I am only.
I
We
mean,
cannot see the
IM.
tax in EWM. Yep.
Okay, so then from IM storage location to EWM storage location, when I do that transfer, then IBD gets created, and once I do that IBD like put away process, then it will update in EWM,
Correct. Exactly.
right?
Yes. Exactly.
Sir, these settings we need to do, sir, or it will be automatic? Means
It is there automatically in the system. Yeah. If anything is there, not
okay,
there, we need to check. Okay.
okay.
Yeah. This like we can.
Based upon quantity of materials, we can segregate, sir. If I have 1,60,000 of materials in my warehouse or in storage location, I want only 1 lakh to maintain at warehouse level and 60,000 at storage location level. Like that, we can. Is there any? Means some of the minute material I don't want to manage at warehouse level. That much activity I don't want. Nuts, bolts, and all the small elements
In that
I
case,
want to maintain at
yeah.
inventory.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
That depends on your business requirement.
Correct. 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 See here. Uh, my product is showing in EWM. What is that meaning? My product is maintained.
EWM manner.
Product is maintained a plant. My product is maintained the storage location of ECC. Then only the linked EWM warehouse it will be appear. If I don't want
Okay.
to show my products in my uh, warehouse, in that case,
Okay.
just you can maintain one additional storage location. Okay, and don't link your storage location, don't link your storage location for your EWM warehouse. You can extend required products to that plant and storage location combination. Okay, that
Okay.
will not
Same
show in
same case we
EWM.
have.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
that,
Same
that
case we have seen in the above case.
correct, 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 correct. That's what correct.
This type of things business will do, sir.
uh, Depends on, sir. I never seen.
Yeah.
What I seen is, if we recap, I explained you about these exchangeable goods and non-exchangeable goods during our these things. What stock management that time. That kind of things we
Okay.
can see. Yeah,
Okay.
that kind of.
Whatever material I have, I will extend to storage warehouse level.
Correct, correct.
Whether it is small value or big value, I don't want to bother.
And
I don't
one,
want to take
yes,
any risk.
yes. And one more thing, you have depends on your physical locations. Say for example, one plant is there. Assume that that plant is spreaded in a very big area. Okay, some one is under roof, another one is open area. Okay, in open area you are storing some kind of products. In under roof you are maintaining some other kind of products. Okay, if you want to go with EWM implementations, you that open area you don't want to bring under your EWM warehouse. Why? Because there is no racks and there is common bulk. Some products are coming and going outside or whatever it may be. Okay, but coming to
Okay.
this under roof, you want to go with the EWM. Simply say to your customer like you can maintain a different storage location. This not for EWM and this is for EWM. Like you can segregate.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, that is also possible. Yep.
That is business. Business will give you the requirement. You need
Correct,
to map accordingly.
correct, correct. Yeah, correct, correct. Mainly,
Okay.
mainly storage location also a physical representation of the plant. Physical unit itself, storage location.
physically.
Physical unit itself. Depends on I want to manage something or else. Yeah, like the previous example, yeah, best. This one. Okay.
Production. Yes.
Yeah. And we do one thing. Yeah, we do one thing. We try to create storage location to storage location transfer in our system. Yeah, one test also there, right? We can check.
Next.
Yeah, one sec. Instead a test. Uh, NEWM, non-EWM. Okay, we can create one. Non-EWM. This is not connected to any EWM. I am not maintaining anything. Okay, this thing.
Okay.
Now,
Sir, sir, in real time, these people will be going for two storage locations or multiple storage locations, sir, in EWM side, ROD and AFS available for sale and this.
again, yeah, again, depends on the business itself.
Means mostly whatever the best practice.
Mostly two they can go.
Okay,
ROD and AFS.
okay.
Yeah. Say some stock is there, some 29 quantity this product. We try to do the transfer location, this one, storage location to storage location.
Sir, you need to do MMSC,
Yeah,
extend
correct,
to that
correct,
storage
correct,
location.
correct. MMSA, go to here. NEWM is ours. Okay. This I'm extending. Now, MIGO or MB1B, MB1B we can use. Which one transfer posting?
Others,
That's
401.
401 or 3, 401.
401.
411, sir.
401 is plant to plant and this is
Yeah,
storage to
411. Yeah.
storage.
Material AAPL
Ma-
MAT 2. MAT 2. This thing. Here, what are the storage locations? AAFS, right? AAFS. To NEWM. Some
Quantity.
one quantity. Okay. This one. Material this one. Quantity is one where this one AFS2 we are moving to here and no account assignment not required. Okay, this thing go to check. No ship to party is defined for the reference movement type 311. Ship to party it would required.
Sir,
And
we have given a 411 moment type. It is,
yeah,
I
but
think, in
reference
item
movement.
10.
Yeah, no. This one is a reference. Okay, reference movement types. See here coming to assign. Okay, star is there, not a problem. 311. This is also not required. Somewhere we can maintain. I will show you. Warehouse number. Check interfaces. Okay. Ship to party. From where you are sending these goods, one reference is required from this thing. What from ECC, and for that we need to go. SPRO. Customer plant is required for this. Customer plants. Go to logistic execution. Here you need to maintain the ship to party and vendor shipping point. We have one there. If we maintain it, it will create for transfer posting also one this thing. Okay. If we maintain this here under logistic execution. Here we need to maintain the plant. APL SP. These are the free text fields. I am giving whatever the data in backspace.
We have business partner something.
Yeah. Yeah, this is there. Okay. Now go to ECC. We should have to tell this is a plant customer. Okay. One is at customer master. Another one is go to SPRO, plastic general. Sorry, materials management. Where? Material management, purchasing, set up stock transfer orders. Set up stock transfer order. Define shipping data for plants. Yes, 1010 we are using, right? Yeah. Come to here. Okay, this data we need to maintain.
Destination storage location. Different.
Document is okay. Okay.
Okay.
Delivery being prepared. Delivery was created. We can check either this came or not. Go to EWM. Here one outbound delivery is created. Okay. Again, as this, we need to process packing. If required anything, we can use this. Got it, sir?
Got it, sir.
Yeah. This is possible.
Here, Keshav, from we are actually we are moving. We are transferring material from EWM storage location, right? EWM storage location to IM storage location
Yes, exactly. Means,
within the plant.
yeah.
So transfer posting, why you did in IM side?
One thing.
Yeah,
Why?
no, why you did in ECC?
One thing. Okay. If you want to do this in EWM, your IM location information is not there in the EWM. How do you find out? Say I have 3 storage locations. If we see check this,
So you
I
mean to say
assume
that
that
because
yes, I assume that. Say one storage location is for production. In our case, NEWM is production. That information
okay,
not connected to EWM. It's not connected to
exactly.
EWM. Correct. That information not available at all in the EWM. That is at ECS level itself. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah, this one.
In
okay,
simple case, we are purchasing raw material and sending to production, and output is sending to the EWM side.
Correct.
I don't want to maintain all the raw materials in the WM side
Correct. Yeah. If
to
yeah,
simplify the business.
depends on sir. Whatever we can imagine, we can do.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. This is the process. Okay. This is the process. Any doubt, sir? Before closing the session, yeah, tomorrow we will discuss about the RF devices. Okay, this week maybe tomorrow and day after tomorrow, 1 or 2 days we will discuss about the RF devices, and remaining 2 or 3 days we discuss about at least the physical inventory. Okay, then we go to the outbound deliveries. Okay, this thing. Okay, sir. Thank
Sir,
you. Yeah, please.
sir, still how many classes will be there, sir? Approximately
We can say
10,
at least some 15 around.
15 classes.
Yeah,
Okay.
any big topics are there, it would require to come on one weekend, sir, on prior notice.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir.
Actually, I am
We
planning
are ready.
to start a